everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Grace, and guys, I'm back after a long time, okay? And yes, today I'll be doing a special haul which I never do because I usually do a lot of brand hauls, but I don't usually do what I actually shop, like offline stores, from the offline stores. So let's do it because I usually shop more in offline stores, because whenever I go to some new place, I'm always like shopping because shopping is the only thing that keeps me sane. And I am someone who has totally given up on people. Yes, I'm an influencer, but don't get influenced by me from this video, because I have totally given up on people because I'm tired of people misunderstanding me, and I'm like, I don't want to clear it out anymore. And if I am the bad one in their story, let it be. So I'm like, I'll shop because I think, but then it is something which truly makes me happy. So yes, that's it. So yeah, let's do it. And I'm very mentally unstable, okay? So I'm like, oh. So let's start the video. So before starting the video, I'll let you know that so first what I did was, this month, this December, was totally insane for me, because not just December but this whole year, from like January to this December till now, it's been like, I've been traveling a lot, okay, and which I am definitely happy about, but then sometimes it gets too hectic. Okay, so it was very hectic for me, but then still, so I bought a lot of things in November and December, because for November I was like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I went to Lakshadweep on a cruise. So before going there, I was in Mumbai. So I'll show you what I got in Mumbai. I didn't do a lot of shopping in Mumbai, like I told you that I am like this. So I forgot what I bought in Mumbai. So I was like, I'm just gonna show you guys these things because it was just lying around, okay? So I was like, why not give you guys a haul? So I got things from Mumbai, and then from Mumbai we went to Lakshadweep, but then there was like nothing to buy, okay, nothing to shop, just those magnets, fridge magnets, okay? So ignore those, okay? So I got few things from Mumbai, and then from when I came back from Mumbai, I went to Darjeeling. So if you guys like follow us on CM Vlogs, or if you guys have subscribed, or like you guys watch our videos, then you guys know that I shop a lot when I go to Darjeeling, okay? Because there's this one favorite place of mine to shop, which is Black and White, okay? And whenever I go there, I'm like, so I'll show you what I got from Darjeeling. And then from Darjeeling, so when I got back from Darjeeling, I went to Kolkata for Aritra's sister's wedding. And when I went to Kolkata, there's this new market, okay? And I shopped a lot of things from New Market because it was so affordable, so cheap, and I got a lot of things that I was like, I literally wanted from like from the I literally wanted since a long time, and I got so many things. And after that, not I but then we, okay, so we went to Mizoram, and from Mizoram I got a lot of gifts, and also I bought a lot of things because everything over there was like so cute and so me. So I got a lot of things, and now I'm here, and I was like, I didn't know what to do. I was about to play ML, but then I was like, oh, let's not waste time and be productive, because I am the laziest girl in this planet, and I feel like I'm the laziest content creator. I don't even create contents. I just make reels. Like, if you know me, you know me. So, whatever. So I'm like, let's be productive today, because since I have a lot in my mind going on right now and I'm overthinking, so I was like, whatever, let's make a video. Like, if that makes me sane, then let's do it. So let's start. Okay, I'll show you Jeopardy. I'll show you whatever comes like in my hand. Okay, it will be random things. So first, okay, so let's do this. Mumbai from market. Okay, so there was this, I don't remember the name, but then there was this market in Mumbai. It was like the local market, okay, where you get like affordable things. So I got this. So I have a small story. So everything I buy, there's this small story. I don't know why. So so before buying this, I used to get like same kind of dream. Okay, I used to see this kind of lamp, and I wished for one. Okay, and I know I say a lot of and, please ignore that. So I used to see a lot of lamp in my dreams, Aladdin lamp. So when I saw this in Mumbai, I was like, I have to buy this. Okay, so there was bigger size as well. Like, this is the smallest one. You get the medium size one and the large one, but then I wanted a small one because it was easy to fit in my luggage. So I got this, and I was like, when I came here, I was like, and wished for something, like wished for obviously happiness. So yes, I wished for it, and I'm like, I don't know, but I believe in this. So this is literally, I feel like this will be my lucky charm, because after all, it's the belief. So just believe. Okay, don't stop believing, keep believing. Even if it doesn't work, who cares, just believe in it. So this is that thing for me. I believe in the lamp, and yeah, I hope it works. So the next thing is so after I came from Lakshadweep, I wanted to buy some things for the shadi. Okay, I went to get some accessories, some jewelries. So when I went to the market, I got this bag. Okay, I saw this and it was literally so cute. So in winters, I love wearing jeans. Okay, I don't like wearing jeans in the summer, so I love wearing jeans in the winter, autumn season. It's winter, so I was like, this denim is gonna look so good. So I got this, and it was, I think, around 6 to 800, so it was affordable. Okay, I got this. And then another thing I got is this. Just ignore this bow. I don't like this bow. So without this bow, it's like classy. Okay, and you guys must have seen me in Instagram like carrying this bag, and it's very, I feel like it looks very classy. Okay, with all black fit. So I got this. It was the same price. Okay, 800 to 600, yeah, something like that. And next is, so I'll show you few things. I bought it online. Okay, so it's this. Just look at that shimmery rhinestones. So when I looked at this, I fell in love, and I was like, I have to get this. So I got this from Myntra, and if I find the link, I'll just give the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And this is very pretty. Okay, it's from Myntra, from the brand Ozaro, I guess. And there's one more heels that you should check, but then I don't think it's available anymore. But then you can still check the brand Ozaro and Myntra. It's not sponsored. Nothing is sponsored in this video. Okay, so the next one is this. just look at it, guys, and look at the bottom. Why is it dirty? I haven't worn it like abhi tak bhi. It's so damn pretty. Wow, but I don't know मैं इसको लगाऊंगी या नहीं, because it's always comfort for me, and this is not gonna give me comfort, but it's so pretty. And this was also very affordable. I think it was for around 3,000 to 35. I am not sure, but then it was around 3,000, 2,500 to 3,000, something like that. Okay, so for pretty shoes, pretty heels like this, take my money. And also the shoes I showed you before, it was also around 2,000, 2k something. And the next one is this heel. So this heel is something that's very pretty. It's this. Just look at the butterflies, guys. So I got this online as well. I got this from the brand, what is it, Carla Braga. It's from Instagram. So I got a lot of like ads, okay, and I saw a lot of pretty heels, and it was on a discounted rate. Maybe it's the Christmas sale or whatever. So I saw this and I fell in love, not with anything but the butterflies here. Just look at it. When I wear this, I'm gonna look the prettiest girl in the world. Wow, it's so pretty. And iska bhi price, it was around 3,000, 3,500, something like that. And another one is this. It's from Carla Braga as well. Just look at this. Look at the stones. It's so pretty, but it's very uncomfortable. So when I went to Mizoram, so not exactly when I went to Mizoram, but then I was searching for like winter sleepers, okay, winter room sleepers, which are like not like covered, okay, which is not covered, which I can just glide in, like still breathing or something like that. So I wanted something like that, and I was searching for it. And when I went to Mizoram, I finally got these. Like, you can just, you know. So it's so pretty. And guess the price, guys. I got it for 500. Yes, I got it for 500. It's so pretty and it's in pink color. So it was like literally made for me. And I got it. And guys, so this is the main thing, okay? So I might even talk about this one in my Instagram, in my backup account, because I'm like, I want to start my backup account. I have backup account, but then I was very regular before, but now I'm not. I don't know why, because I really rarely get time to post on my real account, and I don't have any time for my backup account. Maybe I'll do some kind of beauty contents on my backup account, so I might post there as well about this one. So it's this Dot and Key lip balm, lip glossy balm or something like that. This is also not sponsored, okay? See, so it had this keychain, like cute sa cake, like something like that यहाँ पर, but then ये टूट गया है, because I carried it around in my bag like a keychain, because it has this keychain thing ऊपर में, which you can just put it in your bag, okay? Like I told you guys कि मैं बहुत lazy हूँ, and इतना lazy हूँ कि like जब मैं घर पे like lipstick लगाकर निकलती हूँ, तो मुझे बाहर जाकर बहुत आलस लगता है मेरे बैग में ऐसे खुदान ऐसे ढूंढने के लिए, बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन माई बैग. आई ऑलवेज हैव फूड, आई ऑलवेज हैव comb, tissues, so many lipsticks, lip gloss, and so many other things in my bag. So I'm like, चलो मैं नहीं लगाऊंगी. But then after I got this, it's so easy. So it's, I'll show you. This is my bag, okay? Just go like boop. Okay, so it's like this, and if my lips feel like cracky or something like that, I'll just do this. Done. I don't have to search for it, it's just there. Okay, so it was so easy. And this one, the fragrance is amazing. It's like coffee or something like that, so it's my favorite. This one is my favorite. I have the strawberry one as well, but then go for this one. It's the shade berry crumble, so you can go for this one. And the shade is pretty as well. It's pretty. And I carried this one like when I went to Lakshadweep, when I went to Mumbai, when I went to Mizoram, Darjeeling, everywhere. Kolkata, just everywhere. It was in my bag. And I was just like, walk, walk. Okay, so it's very easy. And you should definitely get this one if you're a lazy girl like me. So let's move on to the next one. Next one is, I got this very pretty cord set when I went to Kolkata. So it's this very cutesy, like you can just do this. It has this belt like thing, buckle thing going on here. It has this very warm, very acha quality ka fur. And this one comes with a skirt, which is so me, okay, because you guys know I love cord sets. And I got this one for just 2500, okay. And it's also very warm. You guys can see the under ka material, it's actually very warm. And I was so happy when I got this. Like if you guys watch CM vlogs, then you guys know about this. You guys have already seen this, okay. But then still I was like, I want my audience to know as well what I got. So let's move on to another one, which is, so I got this from Mizoram. Just look at those heels. She's gorgeous. And also look at the butterfly thing, bow thing. I was like, I have to get this one also. This is very unique. And I also had another one which is not here. I think I took it to the studio, so it's not here. But then it's also very cute. It has this bow thing. It's like this, but then it has bow. So yeah. And another thing I got is this. Just look at the color, butter yellow, lemon yellow. It's literally one of my favorite color right now because it's very soft and feminine, I feel. It says Zara, but I don't think it's the authentic Zara, but who cares, it's very pretty. Okay, the quality is also very nice. I got this when I went to Mizoram. This was for like 2500. This was like 2500, but then I asked for discount and I got it for 2400. And they also gave us shades, okay, me and Zorim. And thank you so much if you're watching. Most of my stuffs are in studio because मुझे वहाँ पर shoot करना होता है, तो मैं वहाँ पर मेरा like छोड़ देती हूँ सामान वगैरह. So the shades and everything is there, so I won't be able to show it to you guys, but it's very pretty. And next I got slipper because it's the winter season and this will be the comfiest slipper. Very comfy. And winters के time में when you wear socks तो आप just डाल लो और फिर चलते बनो. So it's like that. So I love this. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना है इसके बारे में. And I got this for 1000. And guys, you won't believe, okay? You won't believe. I seriously wanted to gatekeep, but I am not gatekeeping it anymore, okay? I was like, okay, I'll let you guys know. These boots. Just look at the boot, okay? So the quality is amazing, everything is amazing about this boot. It's very comfortable because you can see the heel is like आई डोंट नो ऐसा टाइप का हील को क्या बोलते हैं, बट देन इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक ब्लॉक हील. सो इसकी वजह से आपका पेट दर्द नहीं कर, आई एम लाइक व्हाई एम आई स्लाउचिंग. सो इसकी वजह से आपको पेट दर्द नहीं करेगा उतना ज़्यादा. सो आई गॉट दिस फॉर 1700 in New Market, Kolkata. I literally used to spend like 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 on boots online. And I got this one for 1700. I couldn't believe. It was like fixed price. थोड़ा मैं bargain करना चाहती थी 1500 तक, but then he was like it's fixed price, लेना है तो लो वरना मत लो. So I was like मैं एक market घूम के आऊँगी, सोचूंगी एक बार फिर आऊँगी, because I was like क्या मुझे सस्ता में मिल जाए कहीं पर, but then I didn't find उससे सस्ता कहीं पर. So I was like I have to get this one. So I got this. It has this, yeah, if you guys can see, then it has this snake print kind of print in the boot, and quality is also very good, and my friends also approved this. So for a 1700, it's such a like steal. And the next one, so this specifically, this one I was looking for this like since a year. Okay, I think year से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, लेकिन बहुत हो गया. I was like searching for it because I wanted, I'll show it to you first. This, it's a boot and it's denim. So I was searching for this. मैं कब से ढूंढ रही थी कि ऐसा मुझे बूट मिले जो डेनिम में हो. I don't know क्यों, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए था डेनिम मटेरियल में. ओके, सो कब से मैं ढूंढ रही थी, ऑनलाइन में भी ढूंढ रही थी, लेकिन उतना अच्छा मुझे मिंत्रा में मुझे दिखा था, लेकिन वो कलर मुझे उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू कोलकाता न्यू मार्केट, Zorim saw this and he was like, Gracie, and I was like, I fell in love. It was love at first sight. And this one I got for 4,000 to 4,500. I think, I'm not sure, but then 4,000 to 4,500 में मुझे मिल गया. But then वो भैया मुझे बोल रहे थे कि थोड़ा 5,800 कुछ का है, लेकिन मैंने बहुत घटाने का ट्राई किया, बिकॉज पहले भी जब मैं न्यू मार्केट गई थी तो मैंने वहीं से ही ये वाला जूता लिया था. ये मैंने डिफरेंट स्टोर से लिया है, एंड ये वाला मैंने डिफरेंट स्टोर से लिया है. दिस वन इज़ लाइक वहाँ पर कोलकाता में न्यू मार्केट में एक मॉल जैसा कुछ है. ओके, लाइक मार्केट का ही, लेकिन मॉल जैसा कुछ, नॉट मॉल बट देन समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो वहाँ पर ये मुझे मिला. आई एम सो हैप्पी. कुछ हो या ना हो, मैं इसके लिए बहुत हैप्पी हूँ. एंड अभी मुझे पता चल रहा है गाइज, ये हॉल मेरा 27 मिनट्स का ऑलरेडी हो गया है, एंड मैं बस जूता ही दिखा रही हूँ. कितना जूता खरीद लिया मैंने, आई डोंट नो. Another one is this. So this boot I got it from Darjeeling, and इसका प्राइस है around like you'll get this for 7 to 8,000. But I hope the owner is not watching, because I don't know if I should tell you guys or not. But okay, so I get a lot of discount when I go to that particular shop, because whenever I go there, I don't buy just one thing. I get a lot of stuffs. Like I literally spend 20-30,000 over there when I go there. So they give me a lot of discounts. Okay, so I got this for 3,000, but then if you go there, it will literally cost you like 7,000. 6,000 से नीचे नहीं पड़ेगा तुम्हें. 5,000 बोल दो, उससे कम में नहीं मिलेगा, वो देंगे ही नहीं. एंड ये अच्छा है, लाइक यू विल गेट दिस, लाइक कहीं पर भी मिल जाएगा. बट दिस I wore this Mizoram में and I was literally walking all day, all night. Not all night, but then हाँ मैं रात भर भी कितने बजे तक चल रही थी and मेरा पेट इतना सा भी दर्द नहीं हुआ. It was so comfortable. Like इसका heels इतना है, okay, इतना है and इतना heels में भी बहुत दर्द होता है काफ़ी, like boots वगैरह बहुत दर्द करने लग जाता है इधर पर भी. But this was literally so comfortable. मुझे इतना सा भी कुछ भी दर्द वर्द feel नहीं हुआ. This is literally a lifesaver and I love this boot. So another one. So last one, okay guys, shoes में शायद मैं भूल भी गई एक दो तो just छोड़ दो वो. So this is the last one for the shoes. Ta-da! कैमरा में कैसा टाइप का आ रहा है बिकॉज मैंने मेरा पूरा लाइट ऑन नहीं किया है. मैंने बस मेरा डिम वाला लाइट वो ऑन किया है बिकॉज आज आई वाज लाइक आई लिटरली डोंट वांट टू स्टे लाइट में. थोड़ा मुझे डिम में ही बैठने का मन है. सो आई वाज लाइक या व्हाटएवर. सो दिस इज़ द बूट एंड मुझे ये क्वालिटी का बूट बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है एक तो. बट देन व्हाट आई लव्ड अबाउट दिस बूट, कैमरा में उतना अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन इट्स सो मच बेटर ओके रियल में. एंड ऑल्सो द कलर इज़ ऑल्सो सो ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स लाइक ककाओ. ओके ककाओ का एग्जैक्ट कलर है ये. डार्क चॉकलेट या समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई लव दिस राउंड थिंग ओके. ये बूट का ये राउंड जो शेप है ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था. एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी कंफर्टेबल बिकॉज मेरे पास बहुत सारा बूट है लेकिन मेरे पास दो ही ऐसा टाइप का राउंड शेप वाला है. वो भी इतना राउंड नहीं, ले थोड़ा सा ही राउंड है. सभी मेरे पास ऐसा वाला ही बूट है. तो ये मुझे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत पसंद आया था. एंड ऑल्सो द प्लेटफॉर्म, it's very comfortable and also it's like knee length. बहुत comfortable है. and ये भी मुझे 3000 में मिला था. I don't think 3000, I think 3500. yes I'm sure now. It's not 3000. I got it for 3500. yes, I'm sure I got the black one for 3500 and this one for 3500 as well. yes I got it now. yes I know now. तो yes ये भी बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा आपको जब आप जाएंगे. and the next one I got is this long एकदम ही long coat in red color. it's not that red but then it's red, very classy kind of red. कैमरा में थोड़ा सा चटक दिख रहा है लेकिन उतना चटक नहीं है ये. ओके सो इट्स अ लिटिल मोर लाइक क्लासी काइंड ऑफ रेड, लाइक चेरी रेड. यस इट्स लाइक दैट. एंड ये भी मुझे विंटर में बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा जैसा लगा. एंड ज़ोरेम वाज लाइक दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट कलर बिकॉज इट्स ऑन ट्रेंड राइट नाउ and you should definitely get it. so I was like okay, and then I got this and it was in sale for 2500 deal because ये आपको 2500 में नहीं मिलेगा. मुझे सेल में मिला था इसलिए. and another one I got is this long coat, again very long with this belt thing. and ये भी मुझे विंटर के लिए बहुत काम आएगा क्योंकि this year I was like I will get a lot of winter clothes because last year मैं पूरा समर का ही सामान खरीद रही थी. ओके बिकॉज यहाँ पर सिलीगुड़ी में विंटर रहता है मैक्सिमम 2 महीने के लिए और फिर कब चला जाता है पता भी नहीं होता है. एंड इतना कोट लगाने का ज़रूरत भी नहीं होता है इधर. सो आई डोंट स्पेंड माई मनी ऑन कोट्स. ओके सो आई वुड रैदर स्पेंड माई मनी ऑन ड्रेसेस बिकॉज इट्स much more affordable and cheaper than coats because coats are literally so expensive these days. 8000 से नीचे तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें कोट. एंड वो भी दार्जिलिंग में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. एंड ऑल्सो दीज आर लाइक रियली गुड क्वालिटी कोट्स. ओके एंड वहाँ पर सेल चल रहा था, क्रिसमस सेल. सो आई वॉज लाइक आई हैव टू गेट दिस एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर 2000. Yes, it's very 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 nice. Okay, so ये हो गया ढेर. And now my favorite. So since I don't think a lot of you guys know about it, but I am half Christian and half Hindu. Okay, so my maternal side is Christian and mera papa ke side se I'm Hindu. Okay, but then I believe and I respect all the gods, since like I have like grown in like very religious kind of. मैंने जहाँ पर like सारा religion देखा है, जोरम के साइड से बुद्धिस्ट भी देखा है, so मुझे लगता है कि सभी gods एक ही है. Okay, so but then the point was Christmas. Okay, मैं कहाँ से कहाँ चली गई, but then the point is Christmas. So for Christmas, so I always like wearing red on Christmas for some reason. I don't know, but then मुझे लगता है कि क्रिसमस में रेड, लाइक मुझे जब भी लाइक क्रिसमस बोलो तो रेड कलर मुझे ऐसा आ जाता है. एंड आई गॉट द परफेक्ट थिंग. For Christmas, guys, just look at the hood. It has this fur thing, and look at this embroidery. This is the perfect Christmas coat. It's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. And so if you come to Darjeeling, आप shopping वॉपिंग तो करोगे ही, but then don't forget the thrift stores, okay? क्योंकि thrift store में आपको बहुत अच्छा चीज़ मिलने वाला है. So I went to the thrift store. ये सारा shopping करके मैं thrift store भी गई, okay, दार्जिलिंग में. And वहाँ पर ऐसे ही मैं ढूंढ रही थी कि कुछ मिल जाए तो मैं खरीद लूँगी करके. आई वॉज नॉट लाइक कि मैं खरीदूँगी. आई वॉज लाइक कुछ मिल जाए तो मैं खरीद लूँगी. एंड देन आई सॉ दिस, बट देन फर्स्ट में मुझे लगा कि ये किड्स का होगा एंड मुझे फिट नहीं होगा. बट देन आई ट्राइड दिस ऑन. इट वॉज लाइक वेरी लाइक perfect fit. Okay, so I was like I have to get this. And उन्होंने बोला था इसको 800 या समथिंग लाइक दैट. 800, 600, 700 ऐसा ही कुछ, 6 to 800 कुछ बोला था. एंड आई वाज लाइक मैंने माइंड में सोच लिया था कि इसका मैं लास्ट प्राइस 400 दूंगी. सो मैं रात के टाइम में गई थी. सो दैट दादा वाज लाइक कि आपको मैं लास्ट प्राइस बताऊंगी. पहले ही उन्होंने बोल दिया कि आपको मैं लास्ट प्राइस बताऊंगी, लास्ट प्राइस विल बी 400. सो आई वाज लाइक एंड आई गॉट इट. इसको तो मैं 500 रुपये में भी ले जाती, 100 ज़्यादा में भी, लेकिन मुझे 400 में मिल गया. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. एंड अनदर थिंग आई गॉट इन थ्रिफ्ट इज दिस वन, दिस कोट, मीडियम लेंथ कोट. मीडियम लेंथ ही बोलता होगा, आई डोंट नो, कि मेरा वोकैबुलरी बहुत कमज़ोर है. So I got this one which has this pretty frill thing going like neckline में, and also इसका यहाँ. I got this for 500. The uncle was like it's for 800, but I got it for 500. It's a deal. दार्जिलिंग में थ्रिफ्ट में 500 में भी you won't get. It's like थोड़ा आपको ऐसे ही 800, 1200 ऐसा तो पड़ जाएगा, like the good quality ones, because this one still has the tag on, but don't forget to wash, okay? So आधा कपड़ा मेरा सूखा हुआ नहीं है, so I won't be showing it to you guys, but I got a lot of things from thrift. I got 2 pink trousers. One trouser is literally so Y2K. It has this stones, rhinestones as a side में, so it's very Y2K. And another one is this very fuzzy pink trousers, and another one is I got this lacy like lace kind of multicolor sweater, knitted sweater, okay, oversized. It's very nice. And let's move on to another one. I got this very pretty, very, I don't know, very me kind of dress. When I went to Mizoram, I got this for literally 800 rupees. So when I went to Mizoram, there was this mall, I don't remember, but then there was this mall where you get a lot of things in a very cheaper price in the rooftop. I think it's in the rooftop. So वहाँ पर मुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स भी मिला, okay? And oh yes, I forgot to show you one thing. Oh, it's not here, it's in the studio. So when I bought this, I got, so before buying this, I got one quad set. Literally the quad set I wear, like जो मैं tweed kind of लगाती हूँ, cute में वैसा type का, I got one as a gift वहाँ पर. So this is so वहीं से मैंने ये लिया है, this one. It's very cute and I think I'll wear this in New Year because it's very party kind of dress and it's so me. I think I can wear this with this. It's gonna look very pretty, yeah. But I'm like, I'll wear a very long furry coat because New Year के दिन बहुत ठंड होगा. So I'm not sure. You'll see it. And this, I got this from the same store. It's tweed material का ही, and I'm planning कि मैं ये Christmas में लगाऊँ, but then it's very long and I don't like इतना लंबा dress because it makes me look short, okay? I am 5'4" to 5'5". I don't think I'm 5'5". I think I'm 5'4" only because बहुत time हो गया मैंने like height मेरा measure नहीं किया है. So I think I'm 5'4". तो this is like very long, so yeah, थोड़ा घटाना पड़ेगा इसको, but yeah, same price, 800. 800. Yee! This is literally the cutest dress, and thanks to Zoo, because Zoo was manager in Mizoram. हमारा मैनेजर था वहाँ पर, and she was literally so kind and so helpful. She literally helped me pick all these clothes, okay? The clothes and shoes I bought in Mizoram, it's like of her choice. She was so sweet, okay? So she literally helped me pick this one. It's very cute and very me coded, but I don't know if this will fit me or not, but फिट तो आ जाएगा जैसा लग रहा है, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा है ये, तो फिट तो आ जाएगा. बट इट्स वेरी क्यूट, सो आई वेयर दिस. आई डोंट नो कब, लेकिन मैं लगाऊंगी इसको. एंड with all the clothes and everything, and but I want to show this thing to you guys, okay? So I was very small and I think I was in class 5 or 4, something like that, and so I used to stay in rent with my parents, okay? This video is gonna be a very long video, so you guys better grab your popcorns and everything. I should have said that the starting of the video, but ab main bol rahi hu. So I was very small. I was staying in rent with my parents, and literally हमारा थोड़ा सा नीचे वाला घर में, वहाँ पर rent में there was this guy from Manipur. I think उस time पे he was like 24-25 kind age का, I don't remember. So he was from Manipur, and so हमारे parents के साथ like close हो गया था. When he went to Manipur and when he came back, he got us Manipur का local sweets, okay? So so क्या हुआ कि तब मैंने वो sweets खाया, okay? And then it was like so good, so good, that later when I started growing up, that guy literally disappeared. I don't know where, I don't know about him because I was too small to know about neighbors, okay? So let's say that because I don't know. So so while growing up, I was like, I knew कि ऐसा दिखता है, लेकिन I forgot the taste, I forgot everything. So it was like कि मुझे ड्रीम्स सपने में आता था कि मैं वो खा रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे उसका टेस्ट भी नहीं पता है, बस मुझे पता है कि वो ऐसा दिखता है. सो आई वाज लाइक कि मैंने भूल गई थी कि मैंने सच में वो खाया था. तो मैं जब मिज़ोरम गई, सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कार में मैं जा रही थी, एंड देन कार से ऐसे ही विंडो से मैंने देखा वो that thing, yes, that sweet, that particular sweet मैंने देखा. So I was like, I told my friends as well कि वो सपना नहीं था, मैंने वो सच में खाया था. And then जब मैं ये शॉपिंग वगैरह कर रही थी, एंड देन मैं गाड़ी में चढ़ने से पहले आई वेंट टू द शॉप एंड आई गॉट इट. इट्स दिस. सो मैंने बहुत सारे पैकेट्स खरीदा था, अभी मेरे पास ये ही लास्ट पैकेट है एंड दिस इज़ द लास्ट वन. दिस इज़ द लास्ट पीस, इसलिए इतना बचा हुआ है. मैं इसको खाने में भी मुझे डर लग रहा है क्योंकि ये लास्ट पीस है, ख़त्म हो जाएगा. सो या प्लीज़ सेंड दिस वन टू मी अगर आप लोग के लोकेलिटी में ये मिलता है तो. सो यस, दिस इज़ द वन. It like just brought me back all those memories, like जब मैं छोटी थी तब का. Because I still remember, I know I'm talking a lot but please ignore. I still remember कि तब winter का time था and winter में हम दार्जिलिंग में बहुत, it's very cold, okay, not in Darjeeling but in Mirik because I used to study in Mirik. So जब वो आया था हमारा final exams चल रहा था and it used to be like, it is very cold in Mirik, okay. So जब भी ऐसा विंटर के टाइम होता था तो everyone from like neighborhood, like आसपास का घर का एक जगह में, एक घर में, like which used to be our house, तो उसके बाहर एक बड़ा सा like fire lit करते थे, ठीक है. and everyone used to just sit around and then just गप्पे लड़ाओ, okay. So I remember कि मैं एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए पढ़ रही हूँ and they are like my parents as well and I'm inside studying and मैं ये खा रही हूँ. So उसके वजह से ही ये स्वीट स्टिल मेरे मेमोरीज में था. So yeah, that's it, that's the story. So yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. It just took me back to those days. Yeah, thank you I do play for inviting us to Mizoram so that ye mein kha pai. It was very special and also everyone was like very kind, okay, very kind, very sweet. Thank you Mizoram. And when I went to Mizoram, I got some jewelries as well, okay, anti-tarnish jewelry. कहीं पर भी मैं जाती हूँ ज्वेलरी मैं खरीदती हूँ because I love jewelries, okay. So this time when I went to मिज़ोरम में ये सब कुछ खरीद रही थी and वहाँ पर जू का दोस्त का स्टॉल भी था. So I got these anti-tarnish jewelries. Okay, so I got these for 900. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 300 each, and I'm very happy. It's anti-tarnish because before not this year but then last year से पहले and last year तक I used to spend so much on jewelry. I literally used to spend 3,000 on 2 jewelries because anti-tarnish was like so expensive. एंड ऑनलाइन में मैं खरीदती थी, ऑफलाइन में मैं दार्जिलिंग जाकर वहाँ पर खरीदती थी एंड द बिल वाज 3,000 फॉर जस्ट टू ज्वेलरीज लाइक वन नेकलेस और अ ब्रेसलेट. सो दिस वन आई गॉट फॉर 900. वाओ 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 वाओ. जब मैं मुंबई गई थी तब भी आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ ज्वेलरीज, ओके, वो भी एंटी टार्निश एंड वहाँ पर भी मुझे काफ़ी सस्ते में मिल गया था. I don't have it right now because I don't know where I placed it. It might be in my some other jewelry box. तो वीडियो भी बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, तो यही है मेरे पास. तो I'll show it to you. This is the one jewelry and ये भी मैंने 3 ही ख़रीदा था. So SI टाइप का है, SI टाइप का like लेकिन वन इज़ इन वाइट कलर एंड वन इज़ ये ऐसा टाइप का डिज़ाइन है एंड दूसरा में दूसरा ही कुछ टाइप का डिज़ाइन है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो एंटी टार्निश, ओके. एंड इसका भी मुझे सेम 300 ही पड़ा था विच इज़ लाइक क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल. एंड यहाँ पर सिलीगुड़ी में ऐसा अच्छा टाइप का एंटी टार्निश ब्रेसलेट मुझे उतना नहीं दिखाए कहीं पर भी। मैंने बहुत कुछ ख़रीदा है जो कि आई डोंट थिंक इट्स दैट नेसेसरी, क्योंकि उतना अच्छा नहीं है, सो वो मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी। बट आई वॉन्ट टू शो दिस वन टू यू गाइज, ओके? It's very sweet. So when I went to the I Do Play event, creators event, so वहाँ पर मैं गई थी, तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स वगैरह था, ओके? एंड वहाँ पर एक स्टोर था, मेकअप स्टोर, जहाँ पर यू गेट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड की चेन्स एंड यस, आई ऑल्सो गॉट अ की चेन बट आई थिंक इट्स माई बैग। सो मुझे वहाँ पर गिफ्ट्स दिया था उन्होंने, सो thank you so much. This is the setting powder. It's very cute. I'll show it to you guys. It's very cute. So they gifted me this, okay, and they gifted me this. It's also very cute. I got this, and they gifted me this as well, which is mirror and कंघी at the same time. Wow, so thoughtful. So yeah, फिर इसको ऐसे रख दो. Thank you so much, guys. That was it. Thank you for listening to me. I feel a lot more lighter and I feel a lot more sane than before, because yeah, I think it helped me a lot. While I was talking, I think it took a lot of things away from my mind. It made my mind so much clear, and I just feel grateful right now, because I was overthinking a lot when I first started the video. I was like very sad, but then I am not right now at the end of the video, and I think it helped me a lot. So thank you guys, love you so much, yeah, from the bottom of my heart. I'm not saying it for the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I love you guys so much. And if you guys want part 2, then I'll give you a part 2 as well, with the unfiltered Gracie, because unfiltered Gracie, you guys haven't seen it yet, I guess, but then I feel like you guys will like the unfiltered one. It's she's very clumsy, she's very lazy, and she says whatever comes in her mind and mouth. And she's very funny. So yeah, bye guys, love you guys a lot.